Hi, momos are traditional Nepalese dumplings. There are endless momo fillings and dip sauces. In this video, I'll show you how to make the basic veggie momos, mushroom and cheese momos with easy, tasty chutney side dip. Momo dough couldn't be any easier. 1.5 cups of flour, half teaspoon of salt, and a little over half a cup of water. Mix in the salt and flour first, then add the water slowly to make a dough ball. Let it rest for about 30 minutes while you make the fillings. This amount of dough will make about 24 momos, so double the amount or triple it if you need more. And yes, you will probably need more. You can even freeze them once filled and steam them later. I'm making 2 types of fillings. The veggie filling has 1 large grated carrot and around 200 grams of thinly chopped Chinese cabbage. Of course, you can use regular cabbage instead. 2 cloves of garlic, 1 shallot, and 2 teaspoons of chili. I'll add the shallot and chili to have the filling only, since I'm the only one who eats onions in the house. You can do the same and make different fillings if you have special requests from your family or guests. The second filling is mushroom and cheese. So with the help of an uninvited guest, I'm gonna chop 2 large mushrooms and 2 cloves of garlic using this manual chopper. Then in a frying pan with some olive oil, I'll saute all the fillings separately. To the veggies, I'll add salt, black pepper, turmeric, paprika, and coriander powder, and let it just saute so it doesn't overcook and dry out. To the mushrooms, I'll add salt, black pepper, and a pinch of thyme. And I didn't add anything to the shallots and chilies. I figured the pan has enough spices, and it was actually okay. You will find the exact ingredients on Vegan is Yum website with a link in the description. But make sure to taste that everything is okay to your liking. Now I'll mix the shallots and chili to about 1/3 of the veggies, and some vegan cheese to the mushrooms. I'm using a local brand, but I would recommend using something like Violife Greek white cheese, for example. Before filling the momos, let's quickly make this easy, tasty chutney or dipping sauce. 1 tomato, 1 shallot, and 2 garlic cloves. Saute on medium heat till the tomatoes are soft, then add salt, curry powder, coriander powder, sugar, chili powder, and half a cup of water, and let it simmer for 10 minutes, then move everything to the mixer. Add little water and a teaspoon of tahini paste. Run for a few minutes till you have a creamy sauce. Taste it to make sure everything is okay and leave it in the fridge till you're ready to serve. We will make the momos in a second, but first make sure to subscribe, like the video, and join my Patreon page to support my work. All the links are in the description. You can roll the dough into a large thin sheet and then cut circles in it using a jar lid or a circular cutter. But I'll roll it this way and cut it equally, then toss it in plenty of flour so it doesn't stick to each other or to the board. Roll it into circles, remove as much flour as you can, then add a tablespoon of filling in the middle. There are many ways to shape your momos. The most common is this, by folding one edge while rotating. I have to be honest, this wasn't the easiest way, so I switched to a crescent shape, which is quite similar, but you don't have to rotate the dough. Once you're done filling all the momos, steam them for about 15 to 20 minutes. I can't stress this enough. You have to oil the base of your steamer so you can remove them easily. My first batch was removed surgically, so remember to brush the base before each batch. If you're looking for a quick dip sauce, try this soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, and chili. It takes 10 seconds to make, but chutney is really worth it and not complicated at all. That's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and thank you for watching.